And I have 120 yen.
Okay. Okay. Into the line. Oh, cool. Nike swoosh. Batman. Look at this cool guy. If only we knew what he really looked like. Because he looks so cool. Oh wait, over here. Huh. He doesn't look like the picture.
He looks much nicer. Photo.
Oh, really? Precepts of the Aizu clan. Number 1, obey your lords. Number 2, follow the chain of command. Number 3, practice brotherly love. Number 4, do not listen to what women say. And there's more, but who cares?
Yeah, I was reading that and I saw that. I was like, wait, no way that they actually said that. And I translated it. It was like, do not listen to what women say. Like, oh.
How else are you gonna practice Warcraft? Oh, cool. Wow. What's that?
It's funny from up top.
Don't you know you're an ant? Take off my sock. You barely made any progress in a whole hour. You only went 1 floor. How many floors are there?
I don't know.
Okay. What do you get? Anything useful?
They're all useful. Super useful stickers.
Okay, what else you got?
More super useful stickers.
Oh my god, there's so many of them.
There's not so many of them.
What are you gonna do with
You're
them?
exaggerating.
Show me.
That's what I'm still thinking. Show you. These, I can use these in my journal. This is me
This is useful.
Me attending magic school.
This is useful?
so useful.
So if these things happen to you, a magic potion, some sort of fantasy tent.
Palm reading.
You're ready. Your journal will be properly decorated. Mm-hmm. Hot air balloon? Mm-hmm. I mean, we did that, so.
Super cool art.
Oh, it's a Hello Kitty.
Oh, this is little twin stars. Oh, this is super cool. Look, normally when you cut it, right,
So,
the paper becomes this.
yeah.
Not this scissors.
What are you talking about?
It's specifically designed so that it doesn't do that.
Oh. Huh.
Can't believe it's been an hour. I only went through like a quarter of this floor, by the way.
Oh my god. Wow, you could win one of these? Incredible.
They're random people. It's some random people's graduation.
How many did you buy?
0. That's really freaky. I don't want that at home.
So where is it? You know what I'm talking about. Whoa, Koi Man. Luxuriating. Fighting pose.
Whoa.
Nunchucks.
Seriously, Koima.
Okay. The good thing about this is I really can't lose. They're all awesome. Okay, here we go. Ooh, the luxuriating one.
Nice camera.
Oh, thank you. Okay. Why is it in the liquid? I want it with, let's see. Oops.
It doesn't do.
Oh,
Big size.
okay. Coins. Yes.
Do you have coins?
Thank you.
いいですか？はい、失礼しますね。
ありがとうございます。
Wait a second. Where do you go? I don't... Help! Are you the Hello Kitty camera?
Guess what I brought with me?
Hey, buddy! Hey, buddy! We're back! Close the door. We're back. Hey, buddy! Ah! Hey! Hey! Hey, buddy! Hey, you're looking great!
Yeah, you look so great. Mama! Mama!